This video shows how to terminate a user with ID Manager. Please note that users that create terminate user requests in ID Manager only need reader access to the user's person document to successfully create a request. To start, click on the Terminate Users Now button. Select the profile to use. This is a document that provides a number of default values to ID Manager. Select the name of the user that you're going to terminate. Select the Disable and Terminate User dates, press the Save and Close button, and you're done. When a user is disabled, their access is removed. Depending on the options selected, the user's access to their mail file will be removed and they will be added to Deny Access group. At the same time, another user can be added to the user's mail file ACL so they can access the user's mail. When a user is terminated, they are removed from the notes environment. Depending on the options selected, an admin P request will be generated to delete the user. If the user has a Domino ID Vault document, it will be deleted or marked inactive. And if the user has an ID Manager user ID document, it will be archived. Disable user steps and terminate user steps are usually performed at the same time, but they can be performed at separate times. The user's mail file will usually be deleted at a later date. ID Manager calculates a mail file deletion date based on information in the Terminate User Profile document. For example, deleting a mail file 30 days or 60 days or 90 days after the user is terminated is common. Normally, a scheduled agent in ID Manager would monitor this termination request and automatically perform each step when it was time. For this demo, I'm going to press the Terminate User Now button. Since I'm processing this termination request before the scheduled time, I'm going to be prompted to make sure I really want to terminate this user. Many of the buttons that are visible here would not be visible for a help desk user. For example, the Approve, Deny, and Hold buttons and the Terminate User Now button would usually not be visible. In addition, several of the tabs in this request would not usually be visible to a help desk user. The Steps to Perform tab and the Settings and Memos tab will only be visible to users that have the Term Options role. Whether a button or tab is hidden or visible is controlled by the ID Manager administrator. As far as ID Manager is concerned, this request is complete. An admin P request has been created to terminate the user, and another admin P request has been created to delete the user's mail file and all replicas. Another scheduled agent in ID Manager will automatically approve the admin P requests that delete the user's mail file and all replicas. If a user is terminated by mistake, or if a user leaves and comes back, ID Manager can unterminate the user. When a user is unterminated, their person document is put back in the address book, the user is put back in any groups that they were in before the termination, their mail file ACL is restored, they are removed from the Deny Access groups that they had been added to, and any remaining admin P requests for this user are deleted. For more information on terminating a user with ID Manager, please see the ID Manager documentation database.